Today, we are going to explain the CS Cart Make an Offer. Buyers can negotiate costs and interact with sellers. Also, it increases conversions, boosts engagement, and turns shopping into a dynamic experience. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. We are now on the customer end. I want to buy this product. I can see the price is $499, but I want to buy 10 units and pay $400 each. In that case, this add-on will help me. Using this add-on, I can request a quote from the admin, stating that I want to buy the product for $400 each. First, let's look at the configuration of this add-on. Under the settings of this add-on, there are multiple options that the admin can select. For example, whether they want to show the product image, product name, or product price to the customer while making an offer. For instance, this is a product for which Make an Offer is already enabled. So, while creating an offer, while submitting a request, I can choose whether to display the product image, name, price, and other such details. I can also choose whether this feature should be available only to registered users, or whether guest users can also make offers. Then I can enable image verification for guest users. I can enable a discussion panel where the admin and customer can communicate about the offer. I can also choose the promotion status, whether to delete or disable it. I can enable the offer feature for all products listed by a vendor who has an active plan that supports Make an Offer. Next, I can enable the offer for newly created products. For example, if a vendor has a plan that supports Make an Offer and lists a product, the offer option will be automatically enabled for that product. No need to enable it manually. There's also an option to set the initial offer number. I can choose whether to notify the admin or the vendor. This setting is configurable. For the discussion panel, I can also set whether to notify the admin or vendor via email when a customer and admin are communicating. That covers the configuration of this add-on. Before proceeding, we also need to ensure that the vendor has a plan that supports Make an Offer. For example, this vendor has a Gold plan. When we go to the Gold plan settings, the Customer Offer option should be enabled for customers to request a quote on products listed by that vendor. Let's now look at the flow of this add-on. For this product, I can request a quote. I can send a message to the admin saying that I want to buy 10 products, but offer only $400 each. Once I send the message, the admin can see it under Marketing, go to Make an Offer, then go to Offer Requests. From there, the admin can view the request made by the customer, including the product name, description, category, and the vendor who listed it. At this point, it's up to the admin whether to allow the customer's offer. Now, I'll go to this product under the add-on. If I can't see the Make an Offer setting, it could be due to two reasons. Either the vendor doesn't have a plan that supports it, or the parent category of the product doesn't have the offer feature enabled. Let me check both cases. The vendor's name is CS Cart. CS Cart is on a Gold plan, and for the Gold plan, the Customer Offer feature is already enabled. Let me enable it and save the settings. Now, I can see a new button, Make an Offer. From here, I can select the quantity I want to buy and enter the price I want to offer per unit. I'll offer $400 each and submit the request. In the admin panel, I can view all the submitted offers under Make an Offer Requests. All customer offers will be listed there. The most recent offer will appear at the top. From there, the admin can either accept or reject the offer. Let's say I accept the offer, create a promotion, and apply it to the product. I can add a promotion description, something like, Make an offer promotion. As a customer, I can view all the offers I've made and check their status. I can see that the offer I made was accepted. Now, if I go back to the product page, the original price was $499, but once I selected a quantity of 10, the price dropped to $400 per unit. That's everything about the Make an Offer add-on. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com.